Good afternoon, everybody. Today we are test driving 2020 Audi Q7 V6, which came in with multiple Dpf Adblue faults. Now the problems has been solved. Hi, can you please tell me how was your car before and how is it driving now? What can you tell us?
It's got a big difference before and now, and it's got more power and it's got more speedy now.
Responsive?
And of course, yes, it is. We're turning left from here.
Yeah.
It is much better than it used to be, and it's got more powerful. I can feel it easily. When I drive first, I said to you as well, and I said the difference. Yeah, straight away you can't get it.
Yes.
And I'm glad that he done it to me. And thanks.
Are you happy?
Yes, I am.
Excellent. Can you see black or white smoke from the rear view mirror when you accelerate?
Not really.
Nothing.
Nothing come out.
Thank you very much. Another happy customer from Moorhouse Garage Limited, Supreme Dpf Cleaning.com, located in West from Kent. Our postcode is Tango November 16 to Echo Tango. You can reach us on 07533 636194 with your Dpf, EGR, Adblue, NOx, SCR problems, injector and turbo problems. We are the masters. We are also content tuning ECU programming center. Thanks for watching.